Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we decode the trends shaping global industries. Today, we read diving deep into the pharmaceutical world to explore the next major gold rush, the biosimilars market in emerging economies. For years, the United States and the European Union have been the titans of the biosimilar industry, dominating approvals and revenue. But the landscape is shifting dramatically. Industry projections show that by 2030, emerging markets could capture over 30% of global biosimilar sales. This isn't just a minor tremor, it's a seismic shift in where growth, opportunity, and impact will be found. So, where exactly are these new frontiers? We've analyzed the data to bring you the top 5 highest potential regions you need to watch. Coming in at number 1 is Latin America, with Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico leading the charge. This region is on track to become a $2.5 billion market by 2030, growing at a steady 12% annually. What's fueling this? Take Brazil's innovative product development partnership program, which is supercharging local production. Couple that with massive public healthcare systems, grappling with the high cost of original biologic drugs, and you have the perfect recipe for explosive biosimilar demand. Next, let's head east to Southeast Asia. We're talking about a massive combined population of 650 million across Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Here, biosimilar penetration is expected to surge by 15 to 20% every single year. A key factor is regulatory efficiency. Thailand, for example, is now approving critical oncology biosimilars in just 12 to 18 months. That's a game changer, significantly outpacing the historical timelines we've seen in Western markets and accelerating patient access. Our third hotspot is the Middle East and North Africa, or MENA. Countries like Turkey, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia aren't just getting started, they're already advanced adopters. In Turkey, for instance, biosimilar adoption rates in oncology have already soared past 40%. Governments are rolling out the red carpet, with Egypt integrating numerous biosimilars into its national health plan, and others offering fast-track registrations and favorable tender-based pricing to attract manufacturers. Moving on to number 4, we have the Commonwealth of Independent States and Eurasia, with Russia, Kazakhstan, and Uzbekistan at the core. Russia's domestic biologics market alone is valued at over $3 billion. The keyword here is localization. A staggering 60% of biosimilar use in this region is tied directly to domestic manufacturing requirements. This focus on local production is building a robust development pipeline, especially for treating cancer and autoimmune diseases. Finally, our 5th region is Africa, with South Africa serving as the critical gateway. While current biosimilar penetration is still below 5%, the potential is immense. With a projected compound annual growth rate of over 18%, the continent faces significant unmet medical needs, particularly in oncology and inflammatory diseases. South Africa is already leading the way, marketing several internationally approved biosimilars, which sets a precedent and paves the path for wider access across the entire African continent. So, what does this all mean? The strategic takeaway is clear: the epicenter of biosimilar market growth is shifting for pharmaceutical companies and investors. These 5 regions represent a powerful trifecta: immense long-term growth potential, a less saturated competitive landscape, and a unique opportunity to make a profound public health impact. By making life-saving medicines more accessible to millions, the companies that strategically invest and plan their entry into these markets now will be the ones who capture the value of tomorrow. That's all for today's deep dive. If you found this analysis valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the global trends that matter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.